Well, we're here at the Scrappers, Genuine Futures, our youth ambassadors, our young people. Lewis, what has happened today? Just give us a rundown of what we got in front of us. We've been talking about ideas of enterprises this morning, haven't we? And we talked about different things, but just let the audience know what have we been talking about this morning and then what's happened just now.
Well, this morning we were discussing about mobility and how instead of you coming down to Scrappers, we come down to you. Well, Terry gave Sam a ring, brought him into the cafe, said he's got one of these coming in. This is known as a ute. And as you can see by the company name, this was a wheelie bin washing service. So we'll take you through what it originally did, and then we'll tell you about what we're planning on doing. So obviously we'll pull up to a house or a street, and then it'd start off here. This is the, I'm going to call it the clamp. And yeah, stand back. What would happen is this would lower, then the clamp would open, you'd put on your bin on there, the handles would hook in, then you'd close the clamp, up it went, which led to these nozzles. These nozzles would blast the inside of a wheelie bin, completely cleaning it out. But of course, if you follow me, sometimes there is some dirt that gets stuck in the corners, there might be some build up. That's where this came in. And this is what we're interested in. This is a high power pressure washer.
You want to hear it?
So Jason's just going to give us a little demo now. A little camera shy.
Alright, so since our last test, it's